Hello and welcome to another lecture in Argo CD course by techlatest.net. So far we had covered a lot of things like course overview, objectives, then Argo CD, declarative GitHubs for CD for Kubernetes. Then we had covered what is Argo CD, and after that we have covered a lot of things like now in this lecture we will cover key features of Argo CD. Argo CD is a powerful tool for managing Kubernetes deployment, and it offers several features that makes it an ideal choice for application management. Okay, so now if I'm talking about application management, Argo CD simplifies the management of Kubernetes application, allowing for easy deployment, updates, and rollbacks. This means that you can easily manage the entire life cycle of your application from a deployment to update and rollbacks within a single platform. Now, if I'm talking about a second feature, so it is GitOps workflow. Another key feature of Argo CD is its promotion of GitOps workflow. In GitOps workflow, all changes to application are made through Git and automatically deployed to Kubernetes. This means that you can manage your application code and configuration in a single source of truth, and Argo CD will take care of deploying it to the Kubernetes cluster. Next is declarative configuration. Argo CD also utilize declarative configuration files, which defines the desired state of a application and infrastructure. These means that you can define what you want your application to look like, and Argo CD will ensure that it is deployed and configured accordingly. Then next is automatic synchronization. Finally, Argo CD automatically synchronize application in Kubernetes with the configuration defined in Git. This means that you don't have to worry about manual updating your application configuration or deploying new version of your application. Argo CD will take care of it all for you. Okay, so we're also talking about some additional features of Argo CD. So in addition to this key features, Argo CD also offers several other features that make it powerful tool for managing Kubernetes deployment, automated application development across clusters and environment, integrated with multiple configuration template tools such as Customize, Helm, KSONet, JSONet, and YML. Multi-tenancy and RVC, which is basically role-based access control, policy support, automatic drift detection and visualization, easy rollback via storage of version control configuration, complete application monitoring capabilities, including health status analysis and Prometheus matrices integration. SSO support, webhook integration, and custom pre-sync, sync, and post-sync hooks for custom action. So this is all about the features of Argo CD. If you go on the docs of Argo CD, so here you can see a lot of things like if you click on user guide, so here you can find about the tools, then customize. So these all are the features of Argo CD, JSONet, and directory tool detection, automated sync policy. We have already covered this in our lecture. Sync options. Then if you go on developer guide, so you can see a lot of things like code contribution guide, tool chain guide, E2E test, API docs, managing dependencies, continuous integration, site static code analysis. So these are the developer guide. And here you can see the tools like Helm, Customize, and JSONet, and GNUPG verification, diffing, compare options, sync options, parameter overrides, parameter overrides. If you go on Argo CD interface, so you can see that let's get stuff deployed. If you give username, which is admin, and if you give password, wait a minute, I'm giving the password, and here you can see that the user interface of Argo CD. So if you click on settings, so here you can find about the repositories and other things we have already covered. We have covered these things in our upcoming lecture, like in detail about the Argo CD user interface, like the cluster GNUPG keys and other things. Okay, if you click on user info, so you can see that the admin name and user. Okay, and if you click on documentation, so you can find about the new to Argo CD, read the docs, want to download us here. So this is the Argo CD basically If you want to create a new application, you can create a new application also. So we have covered these things in our detailed lecture of Argo CD user interface. Okay. And we have already covered the key features of Argo CD. We have also seen the docs and other things. So that's all about this lecture. I hope you guys like this lecture. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Also follow us on LinkedIn, Twitter, and Medium page, because on Medium we have already provide a lot of amazing blogs and content. Okay, so yep, that's all about this lecture. Bye bye. We will meet in next video.